Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook story public so everyone can see it. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, open up the Facebook app on your phone. And once you are on Facebook, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And then tap on Settings and Privacy. And then simply select Settings. And once you are in the Settings and Privacy menu, you have to simply scroll down and you will see an option that says Stories in the Audience and Visibility section. Once you find it, tap on it. And then tap on Story Privacy. Once you are in the settings, you will see different privacy options: Public, Friends, and Custom. To make your story visible to everyone, select Public. Tap Save to confirm. This means that anyone on Facebook can view your story. And that's it. A quick and easy way to make your Facebook story public. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.